Okay, so we're going to learn how to download ArcMap 10.8 and yeah, so could you just open your browser, go to your Chrome or whatever browser that you have, and just just search on the search bar, type ArcMap, ArcGIS 10.8. Yeah, ArcGIS 10.8 free download for Windows 10 and search. Then once you download it, you will see this link, this particular here, where you see this button, this get into PC. You click on it. Then when you click on get into PC, you see this is how it's going to pop up. I mean on desktop mode. Okay, this is not desktop mode website. So this is how it's going to pop up. Then you now scroll down to this green part here where it says download and click it. Then these are ads. Once this ads pops up, you go back, you press back and click it again. Those are ads. Those ads are very annoying. So yeah, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Then when you click it, it says wait here, you can start your download in 6 seconds. So it's counting down to zero. So once it counts down, you just hold on. Then press this blue button here. Press this blue button. It's showing an ad again. You go back. Once it shows that ad, you have to go back because it's always taking us to another website, so it's rubbish. So you now wait for it to load. Then once it's done loading, then here it has started downloading automatically. It starts to download. So it's about 1 point something gig thereabout. Yeah. So that's how to download the ArcMap. Very simple.